Microsoft Excel. Forecast of profit. So simple exercise for this one. Example 1. Estimated sale, growth rate, cost of sale, general administration, advertising, start year. So you find out the cross sales, cost of sales, cross margin, advertising, general administration, expenses, total expenses, so the net income. Say the estimated sales, I mean the cross sales, equal, and take it from here, enter. So the comma sign with 2 decimal. The cross sales growth rate 15%. 1986 increased by 15%. So likewise, every year increased by 15%. Equal cross estimated sale into 15% general fixed. 15% general fixed. Absolute value. Function key F4. One time. Plus function key F4. So then plus estimated sale. Then enter. So then copy this up to 1990. It's coming like this way. Cost of sale equal estimated sale into 50% fixed absolute value, then plus, sorry. So then enter. So then copy. Cross margin, cross sale minus cost of sale. This one minus cost of sales. So then copy this. Expenses, advertising 25% from cross sales, I mean that estimated sale, equal into advertising percentage 25% fixed value. So then enter function key F4, then enter. So then copy this. Same time you can copy, first you calculate everyone. So the same time you can copy, or one by one you can copy. So this, anyway, general administration equal estimated sales into 20% fixed function key F4, enter. So then copy. Total expenses, advertising plus general administration. Advertising plus general administration. So then equal plus this one, then enter. So then copy. Say the income, net income, gross margin minus total expenses. Gross margin minus total expenses. Then enter. So then copy. So then put the comma sign, highlight the whole area, say the formatting, comma sign with 2 decimals. So just coloring this. Okay. So you do this. So you practice like this way. We meet on another Excel program. Bye.